This video is part of a series that covers all the new features, evolutions, and fixes introduced in the successive service packs following the release of Automic Automation version 21. In this video, we describe those features for the service pack number shown in red. Some of the items listed are important changes that warrant further exploration. They may require user behavior changes, or they might represent some of the more arcane aspects of the technology, and so they're listed in red in the overview. As such, they'll have dedicated slides. Others are minor, and we list them for awareness. They will be listed in black and will not have dedicated content. All items are grouped together by components: Automic Automation, Kubernetes Edition, AWI, agents, and so forth. The following are the new features and improvements included in Service Pack 2105. We can now build custom searches of LDAP users. We've added a key and value pair called Search Filter, which allows us to do that. Automic Automation also has a long history of evolving privilege management methods for Unix agents. Version 12.3 separated privileges with a listener UID and listener GID. Then version 21 went to a different system. With 2105, we've restored the 12.3 approach. Unix agents can be restricted in what they do with regards to jobs, file transfers, and CAU. These restrictions are configured in the INI. This is what we have for the other features. Oracle 21c is now supported. We've increased the maximum value of the max variable size parameter in UC system settings to accommodate larger script variables. Note that this may have a small impact on system performance. Automic Automation has been aligned with SAML standards and accepts more widely accepted SAML provider configurations, meaning it's also more tolerant. Support for PostgreSQL has been expanded to versions 13 and 14. Finally, you have access to improved telemetry information with lists that include technology nodes, application nodes, mainframe nodes, and orchestrated systems. For the deployment of LDAP, we use the UC_LDAP example variable in client 0. We have to substitute example with the name of the domain. This has been the case for a few releases. The new feature is the search filter value, which enables custom user searches in the LDAP domain. We've provided an example for Active Directory. In version 12.3, the Unix agent process was split, with a listener process running as user nobody, the standard non-root user. This performed the system user check before submitting processes via the Unix agents. The rest of the agent ran as root. These methods were not in effect with version 21 and the implementation of TLS. As of 2105, it's been restored. We're able to place functional restrictions on the Unix agent. In the INI file, we have the authorization section in which we can enable or disable the following functions: serve as a file transfer source, as a target, run jobs, and be upgradable by CAU.